Hello.
Hey guys.
Welcome back. We are making a Christmas cake.
We're going to start it. Yeah, I'm excited. It's the first time I've made one. I'm not sure about you.
I don't think I've made a Christmas cake before. We do a little bit of baking. Nothing normally out of our comfort zone.
No, normally what cakes?
Yeah. But we've been wanting to do this for a couple of years and just never got around to it because you have to start them. I don't think you have to start them early.
I think it's best to because you've got to feed it with alcohol.
Yeah.
I think I say every week, but I think you said
it's every
2
fortnight,
weeks.
according to the recipe.
Yeah, so I'm excited because, like Emma said, we normally leave it too late. And this year, we seem to be organised, so
yeah,
we can do it.
Okay, so I'm just going to quickly read what I've got to do.
Okay.
And then I'll come back.
Let's do it. Happy Christmas. That's nice.
Right. I'm just going to quickly show you the ingredients. So we've got a kilogram of mixed fruit.
Yep.
I also got these to put in because whenever I've had a Christmas cake, they've got these in.
Okay.
And I didn't want mine to not have that.
It's quite a lot of ingredients.
Yeah. Oranges and lemons.
Yeah. Brown sugar.
Yeah. The Serrano.
Yeah.
We're using Di Serrano.
We are. Yeah, I know it should be whiskey.
Or brandy or rum.
But we googled it. Emma doesn't like whiskey, and I got a really expensive one, and I love it. And you're not too keen, so we might as well keep that one for nice. You like this? I like marzipan. So apparently we can use it. So we decided to. So give it a go.
It's our cake. We're gonna do what we want. Butter, ground almonds.
Yeah.
Flour.
Yeah.
Ground mixed spice. Oh, I didn't show you that at all.
Okay.
Ground cloves. I wonder what they smell like actually, because I've never used these before.
Oh, that's Christmas.
Oh, I don't like how that smells.
I love cinnamon. That's cinnamon. Oh, no.
But fine. Baking powder and vanilla extract.
Okay, cool.
Okay, let's get it all in a pan. So first things first, the fruit, the zest of the orange and lemon.
Yep.
The alcohol, the butter, the sugar, all go in a pan. So let's get that going.
Reason to tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, since you tell me, you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way.
It's 150 millilitres of Di Serrano, which feels like a lot. John. If it doesn't turn out right, it's John's fault.
It will.
It feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter seems stay. All I want is this embrace.
So it's all in the pan. I'm going to give it a mix, and then we put it on a medium heat for 5 minutes. Hopefully everything melts and cooks and smells delicious.
Amazing, yeah.
Let's do that then.
It smells amazing already.
It's just about starting to boil.
It smells amazing already.
It smells really good. So we have to leave it for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And then put it into, I'm going to put it in the bowl there.
Yeah.
And then it has to relax for half an hour. It's done a lot of work. It always makes me laugh when it says it needs to rest. And look,
Yeah.
all the butter is melted, it's just boiling. So I guess we need to time 5 minutes.
Nice.
Okay, my 5 minutes are up, so I'm going to put it in the mixing bowl and let it have its half an hour rest that it needs.
Oh my god, it smells amazing in here.
Yeah.
It really does.
Okay, let's get the mixing bowl. I was imagining it was just, oh, you've all steamed up. Imagine it just gonna like from underneath. Okay, have a little rest. I guess we're just soaking it.
Yeah. Are we doing it overnight?
Well, we did it over day. Right, half an hour. Okay, it's been a little over half an hour. It's still a bit warm, but we're gonna go with
I
it.
don't think it matters being warm, is it?
I don't know.
It smells incredible. Honestly, it smells like Christmas.
You'd have my Christmas cake.
I think you need a bit more alcohol in it.
No.
No, can I do? Because
No.
it's not alcohol.
No. Okay, I've preheated the oven, so I've put it on 130 because ours is a fan oven. And now I need 175 grams of plain flour. I've put it on my mixing bowl because I'm not mixing by hand. When I was reading the recipe, I thought, oh, this doesn't seem like enough flour. But we'll see. 100 grams of the almonds. I think I put too much mixed spices. A teaspoon of cinnamon. It looks very liquidy.
Amazing.
Is it supposed to be that liquidy?
Yeah,
I guess. Okay, now we put it in the tin.
well, it's not going to be big enough.
Stop it.
Go for it. It smells amazing.
It does. Could there have been a more perfect sized tin? I just need to level it off, so I need something to level it off with. Okay, I'm going to use my spatula. It looks so cute! Okay, now what? In the oven for 2 hours you go. Goodbye! The cake's been in for an hour. I don't think it smells like cake in here.
Not yet. I don't think it's done yet.
It's not done for another hour, but
It is starting to smell, but I would have thought it'd be like a bit more. But
I'm gonna have a little look at it.
I think we should.
No offense.
Oh, you can smell it now, near the oven.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
It's a bit fun, isn't it?
No.
That's heavy. Oh, wow. That looks good.
Okay, it does say on the instructions, if I want, oh, it doesn't say on that bit, I can cover it with parchment to stop it getting brown, but
Well,
it's not
that's
brown
why-
enough yet, is
Well,
it?
the raisins are a bit burnt. That's why I thought it was burnt, but it's not. But the raisins are a bit on the turn.
That's
Up to you.
okay.
Yeah. I mean, but-
Maybe in another like 20 minutes, half an hour.
Okay. Cool. Good dough. It looks really good. I can't wait. You sure you don't
Put
cover
it back
it?
in. No. No, because the cake doesn't look brown enough yet.
Okay.
Okay,
Cool.
I'm nervous.
It should be tight. It smells amazing.
We put
Snap.
some paper on so it didn't burn.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at that. Is it done? How do we know?
get a knife. We're supposed to have skewers, but we... What are you doing?
I thought it was a bit wobbly, so I don't know.
Stick it in.
The middle?
Yeah. Oh, not done.
Not done.
10 minutes. Okay, it's out of the oven. It looks darker on camera than it is, but it looks lovely.
It looks all done and nice and clean now. So it's 2 more times, wasn't it? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
perfect. So
We need to poke some holes in it and put 2 tablespoons of our chosen alcohol.
We can do that. How many holes do we want?
I guess just a couple, yeah.
Okay.
Good poking, John.
I mean, we should have a skewer, but we haven't got any, so the knife will have to do.
Okay, it says 2 tablespoons like spread around across the top. Not extra, John.
I mean, we can put more in it anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it's dizzy.
You're sizzling.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we let it complete. John, that's enough. And now we let it completely cool.
Okay.
And then that is this part done.
Then we've got to do it every
2
2
weeks.
weeks. So
But
that's
next
cooled
time
down.
we come back, it will be ice in it again.
Yeah, so we cool that down, wrap it up, put it in a cake tin, and then every 2 weeks, put some more on
Yeah.
it up to Christmas, and then marzipan, icing. I can't wait.
Okay, it's time to marzipan the cake.
Yes, it is. I love marzipan. I could literally eat it like that.
Well, we're not
I can't
gonna.
wait.
We got this, right, I've never made a Christmas cake before, you know this is my first time making it. So we went for the easy, pre-rolled marzipan.
I think what everyone does, doesn't they?
I don't know. I feel like some people probably make it, but
Fair play to them. Yeah, let us know if you do, but I think that's outside our wheelhouse.
Yeah.
Then you've got stuff like this you can buy.
yeah. And it actually, things like this probably work out about the same price as you making
Probably
it,
the
don't they?
ingredients, yeah.
Okay, so
There's
we're
quite a
gonna.
lot though. We bought it, it came yesterday, and we both got out and went, well, that's bigger than we expected.
Yeah, I didn't know how much I would need.
What I'm not
so-
sad about because I do love marzipan.
Okay, here's the plan. Here's the game plan. We're gonna get the cake out of the tin.
Okay.
We're gonna hopefully just drape this over it and it's gonna work and there's gonna be no issues.
Okay. Fine. And then we've got to wait a week, and then we ice it in a week's time. So we done the final drinking of alcohol, baking, what is it called?
Feeding,
drinking, last 2 days ago.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the final bit of that. Now we're going to do marzipan, and a week later, icing, and then we can enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's a process.
Okay, time again to feed it. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells amazing.
We have
So-
to supervise John because he can't control himself.
This is the last time. So we've done it. We did it for more time. We've done it. So this is what the
Third?
fourth. Okay, maybe a third. Yeah. Time to do it. I think this is. I think 2 more days. We're gonna marzipan it.
Yeah, we got the icing and the marzipan. I assume the holes are still fine.
But it looks really moist still, so that's really good. I hate that word. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing.
Why are you whispering?
I'm excited.
That's enough. That's enough. John.
Just accidentally happened.
No, it didn't.
That smells amazing. I cannot wait to dig into it.
What if it's gross?
It won't. It smells amazing. I'll eat that like that.
Looks amazing. It smells amazing.
I'm really nervous.
They come out really easy. Okay, Tim.
Because we put it in the paper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just I guess the size and
Well, I was
are we
just
doing the
gonna.
sides as well?
Well, if I was gonna like put it on the top so that it goes down the sides and then trim it at the bottom.
Okay, cool.
Okay, maybe we'll do it and then come back.
Okay.
Is it beautiful? No. Does it fit? Yes.
It nearly fit perfectly. We had to cut a little bit off, but that was perfect.
Yeah.
That's nice and easy. So yeah, it smells amazing. I'm so excited.
Now it goes back in the tin.
Yeah.
Goodbye. See you next week.
See you next Sunday for icing. And then it's 5 weeks after that. I think it lasts up
Yeah.
to.
Do not drop the cake, John.
Imagine.
Yeah, that's how we got it out. It's fatter now because it's got marzipan on.
Perfect. It smells amazing.
I did say I'm going to throw this away and John said,
Don't you dare. that's I love marzipan. Do you like marzipan?
yeah. Cool. Okay, we're going to finish up this Christmas cake. It's about time. Let me show you what we got. We got these little icing sugar decorations. There's like holly leaves and puddings, so they're cute. And then we got this, it's like glitter pens, I guess, for the cake.
Happy Christmas.
Right. So we got red. Is this black or brown? Black. Green. And gold. So I think I'm gonna put the leaves and the puddings around the outside, around the outside.
Okay.
And then, I don't know. Yeah, maybe write Merry Christmas or something.
Okay, cool.
I don't know. These are a bit too arty for my skill level.
We did want a bigger version of something like that.
Or like 3D Christmas trees or something, but
Yeah.
you work with what you got.
Yeah, that's what they have in Sainsbury's. Say, now, yeah, like, Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas.
Happy Merry Christmas.
Happy Merry Christmas. Yeah, why not? It's going to taste nice.
Yeah. First we've got to ice it though.
Yeah.
At least the marzipan's still on there.
Amazing. That looks amazing.
Okay.
That looks amazing. It smells incredible. I think all your videos just be saying how good it smells.
Yeah. That's the icing we got if you're interested, because we're cheating.
Yeah, hopefully it's the same size as a marzipan.
Imagine it's tiny and goes on the top.
Just on top. Happy Christmas. Job done. Can I try a bit?
No. Right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Listen, is it perfect? No.
I think it's alright.
But it's cute.
I think that's good.
It's some of it's short, some of it's long.
I think that looks alright. I think it smells amazing. I think that looks amazing. I think, yeah, we do whatever we can do with the pens and decorations, but I think that's good.
Okay.
I can't wait to try it. Yeah.
I'm working on the design as I go.
Yeah, you've done that.
Winging it.
That's good. I think it looks really good. It's going to taste amazing.
I think it's cute.
I think it's cute. Maybe put Happy Xmas or Happy Christmas in the middle.
You don't think it'll ruin it?
I don't know. It's up to you. Or a date or...
I don't want to put the date on it.
or some sort of fancy design. It's up to you. I don't think it matters. I think it's going to taste amazing.
This, I should have moved that one slightly that way.
Yeah, that matter.
But it looks quite
No one
cute.
cares like how close that will be when it
No.
tastes it.
But I care. Okay, let me have a think and then I'll come back. So I'm not doing any more.
I like it.
It looks better on camera than it does
I
in
think
real
it
life.
looks good. I think it looks really good.
It's cute.
It looks amazing.
Writing with those things was really hard.
Yeah. I think it looks good. I'm excited.
Yeah. Let me know what design you'd have gone for.
It would have been easier to have a bigger one of these.
Yeah.
Just in the middle. But I think it looks really good.
Thank you so much for watching us make a Christmas cake this year.
Absolutely. I'm intrigued to taste it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all good to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
We
First
hope
time
you
for us.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, hit the notification. We'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.
No.